Spirit Tower information, Quebec 1754 Zulu 1310 at 10, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 212.13, altimeter 2978.
Meridian 5 Foxtrot Yankee, you'll be ready upon reaching, correct? Meridian 5 Foxtrot Yankee, roger, working the IFR release. And Meridian 25 Foxtrot Yankee, any intersection is approved. On approach, turn left heading 210 runway, left, clear for takeoff. And Meridian 5 Foxtrot Yankee, contact St. Louis Port.
Morning, Kilo Sierra, hold short of 26 left, ready for departure.
Citation 400 Kilo Sierra, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, 400 Kilo Sierra.
Station 0 Kilo Sierra, contact St. Louis Port, go ahead.
4 Kilo Sierra.
Spirit Tower, November 341 Mike Alpha, hold short 26 left at Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Spirit 341 Mike Alpha, Spirit Tower, roger, traffic 2.5 mile final, Cessna westbound approach here, cruise, runway 26 left, altitude, clear for takeoff.
26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff. On course, Spirit 341 Mike Alpha.
And Cirrus 4 Mike Alpha, traffic just ahead to you right off the parallel runway southwestbound, Cherokee 1200.
Traffic set site 341 Mike Alpha. Tower crew track 40 were established on the RNAV 26 left, inbound full stop for the white ramp.
Crew track 40, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left clear to land, crew track 40.
And clear track 40, straight into the ramp. You can remain this frequency.
Ramp on this frequency, clear track 40, thanks for your help.
Tower, TBM-84 Hotel Sierra is Alpha 1 for 26 left, we're ready to go.
And TBM-84 Hotel Sierra, Spirit Tower, hold short runway 26 left for depart traffic.
For 26 left, forward to ship.
And TBM-84 Hotel Sierra, Spirit Tower, traffic off the parallel runway, Skylane, turning southbound. The wind is 310 at 9. Flight, runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, runway heading, and we'll keep an eye out for that parallel traffic for us here.
TBM-4 Hotel Sierra, contact St. Louis Ports. Good day.
It's a good day, forward to ship.
Clear taxi, 532 is ready.
It's at 532, Spirit Tower, flight, runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, clear 532.
Exit 532, contact St. Louis Departure, good day.
Departure, that's it, 532. Tower, flight number 323 Alpha Juliet, we're here at Alpha 2. As soon as you can get us out, we're ready.
And flight is 333 Alpha Juliet, Spirit Tower, roger. Be about 5 minutes.
Appreciate it.
And flight is 3 Alpha Juliet, turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Turn 210, clear for takeoff, 26 left from Alpha 2, FedEx. Alright, no Pilatus, November 32 touchdown.
Flight is 3 Alpha Juliet, contact St. Louis Departure, good day.
Switch departure, we'll see you at 3 Alpha Juliet. Spirit Tower, good flight state, 318 JFL, we're ready.
And Citation 8 Juliet Hotel, flight runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, runway heading, 318 JFL.
Aviation 8 Juliet Hotel, contact St. Louis City Parker. Thanks for working with us today.
Over departure, you have a great day.
Your 6-year Golf westbound departure is approved. Runway 26 left, Alpha 3, clear for takeoff traffic on a wide downwind turning base, Cherokee.
656 on the go, 26 left, clear for takeoff, 6560, go, thank you.
And Cherokee 205, base your discretion, runway 26 left, cleared to land, one more departure prior to arrival, Cirrus.
Base my discretion, clear to land 26 left, we'll wait toward the Cirrus.
Telecast information, Romeo current wind 3109er, altitude 2979er. Cherokee 205, you can continue to Alpha 9, right, Alpha 9, and straight up Bravo for the shade port.
9 to Bravo, 98205, thank you.
And 11 Delta traffic at your 10 to 11 o'clock and 3 miles southwestbound Cessna climbing out of 2,800.
Good one, Delta.
And 11 Delta, the Cessna has you in sight, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Land 26 left, 381 Delta.
Delta, turn right at Alpha 6, taxi to County Keys via Alpha with me. Have a good day.
6 and Tuscanos with you, the Alpha. 1 Delta.
Number 450 Golf Romeo, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
10 Tower 0 Golf Romeo, confirm we are clear for takeoff, runway heading 26 left.
0 Golf Romeo, A firm, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
Copy 0 Golf Romeo.
Golf Romeo, contact San Luis departure of a 6 flight.
26-5, thanks for the help, and Merry Christmas, Zero Golf Romeo.
ArcaJet 948, so we holding short runway 26 left, Alpha 1 ready.
ArcaJet 948, Spirit Tower, flying runway heading runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Off 26 left, runway heading to 3000, ArcaJet 948.
Jet 948, contact San Luis departure of 6 flight.
Departure for ArcaJet 948, you have a go.
Tower 6 is with you, visual 26 left.
November 60 Romeo Lima, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, 0 over.
Number 0 Romeo Lima, where are you parking? 0 Romeo Lima, turn right at Alpha 8, taxi to Millionaire via Alpha with me. Have a good day.
Alpha 8 with you, 6 level.